back at the depot. The MJ Dart is here. The split truck. It's just there. Here's I didn't even know this existed, to be honest. 578 581. My friend NSW Garbo 47 got footage of this one. This is the one that came to mind, the one that I got filmed. This is the one. This is one of them. I can't remember what this is. Here's this. I think this is 574. Hang on. No, 576. That is. This one. Here we got 570. This is so Shoalhaven, they made like a sort of like video on like these trucks and how the kids, and this driver is named Wayne, I'm pretty sure that's his truck. Where's 569? Hello, here it is. My boy Alan's truck. Alright, so we got 514. So that's the number. 577. That's the number. Okay. Alright, I get it. Here we got Brisbane truck. So focus. I'm gonna take a photo real quick. There we go. Got the thumbnail. Yeah, the MJ Dart 525. Yeah. So that's those trucks. And yeah, there's 520. And yeah, thanks for watching. Oh crap. I just dropped my phone like 3 times then. Oh my. Alright, so see you guys, thanks for watching, and bye. The video's not over yet. We're at the old depot. Like, we were just driving around and we just found. So we got the SL55. That one, that first Raptor there is SL84. We got 515, 511. Oh, I could just see a glimpse of 316. You see, it's just there, where the tip of my finger is. That's 316. It's a rare. It's broken down, all these small bins. So yeah, this is the real ending of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, Sunday at the depot. Sadly, we're going to back down to Sydney on Tuesday night, so after the garbage truck and then after dinner and that. So yeah, enjoy this video and enjoy the video on Tuesday. See ya.